कोई है?
जब टेलीनॉर से मिले इतना सब कुछ तो बस फिर तुम रहो अपनी मस्ती में। टेलीनॉर हो तो
What are your thoughts on the ad?
I think it was good. I think एक चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत ऑफ लगी थी वो थी कि the whole city looked very clean. It didn't look like Karachi, right? I mean, the whole ad was very lean. I guess comedy मुझे तो it didn't hit me.
Do you think you, as the member of Gen Z, does it resonate with you?
What do you mean by resonate with
Like,
me?
would you watch it and you would be like, oh my god, this is one of the
Oh, this is
best
me.
ads ever.
No, it's not like that at all.
Or would you say, okay, yeah, I can relate to this?
No,
Why?
because I don't game first of all, right? इसके अलावा I don't like people that are on their phone all the time. But I guess that's what the stereotype of Gen Z people is, right? That they're always on their phones. It's not one of those iconic ads. Like you asked me, right? कि, would I watch this and say, oh, what a brilliant ad? It's like one of those ads जो आप क्रिकेट देख रहे होते हो और चलती रहती है and you get annoyed कि like what the hell is this? नहीं आए वापस, नहीं आए वापस. It's one of those annoying ads.
First of all, they've pulled off it pretty well when it comes to the whole art direction. I mean, you can see her wearing normcore aesthetics. Ad देखने से पहले first मेरा encounter जब हुआ था, it was on the billboards near Zappos. मैंने और मेरे बाकी colleagues या classmates वगैरह जो भी थे, तो woohoo जो tagline है basically उसको सुनते ही we had that Blur का जो song 2 है उसके lyrics, I don't know if everybody's aware of it or not, but it goes like woohoo, I got my head checked by a jumbo jet. Michael Bisping walk out, love it.
Woohoo representing Gen Z, do you think it's doing it justice? Do you think the term woohoo actually represents Gen Z?
I don't think so. I think it was like very millennial coded actually. It's like very campy horror films. The whole imagery in the ad, it was very 90s Indian horror. Like this is the kind of booth like millennials have grown up with.
I like the production. I think the concept of it is decent, but the ending sort of ruins it for me. Woohoo in particular is a lot more dated. It's more of a millennial thing, but whatever catchphrase they would have gone with, I feel like in the time that it takes to write, produce, and then release an ad, it just goes out of style anyway. So it's not something you can get right.
तुम अभी तक यहीं बैठे हो?
With the interior design.
ये बैलेंस चेक करने का क्या कोड है?
हर चीज मुझसे मत पूछा करो, सिमोसा से कर लो। एक ऐप की तो बात है।
एक और ऐप डाउनलोड करूं?
बस एक, सब कुछ हो जाएगा। बैलेंस चेक कर सकते हो, रिचार्ज और बंडल सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो।
बस 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 थैंक यू। आईडी शुरू कर दिया है समोसा का।
बेटा नमाज नहीं पढ़नी?
10 मिनट है, पढ़ लूंगा अभी।
10 मिनट 5 मिनट पहले थे, गुजर गए।
अभी हटो, मैंने गेम खेलना। क्या मसला है यार?
तुम्हारा मसला होगा, मैं तो समोसा पे गेम्स खेल लेती हूँ।
बैलेंस चेक या रिचार्ज, बंडल सब्सक्रिप्शन या म्यूजिक सुनना हो, गेम्स मूवीज, तुम बस हुक्म करो।
ये सब समोसा से मिलता है?
बिल्कुल समोसा से, क्योंकि अब सब सिर्फ एक ऐप की बात है।
So I like this one more. Because you see, the thing with Gen Z is a lot of the media that they consume and all of the culture is around things being meta and self-referential.
This campaign specifically represents Gen Z. Like, did it do a better job than Devin or Woohoo, or was it the same?
No, I think this one definitely did a better job. I think the concept for the first one was more interesting, but this was executed a lot better. But this is down to earth, not in terms of concept, but acting, and then again with the whole self-awareness. I think that's the biggest thing.
Not bad. I really liked it. पहली बात मैंने यही बोली कि the interior design, I mean, it's giving me, you know, the sense कि SCCA जो आपका है, higher upper class is targeted onto those. One of the problems that I'm seeing in this है कि SCCA or higher upper class basically मुझे दिख रहा है. When you look at the paintings and you look at how, you know, the posters are put in, the functionality is the theme of it. I think they've communicated it pretty well. लेकिन अभी भी वही किस्म के डायलॉग्स की तारीफ गर्दिश में है. अगर through and through Gen Z feel आप दे रहे हो तो I mean, you know, use certain dialogues. अगर वो इंग्लिश में भी क्यों ना हो, क्योंकि मुझे अब दो सेट्स हैं. अब फॉर एग्जांपल एक इकरा यूनिवर्सिटी का बंदा है, एक IVS का बंदा है. एक IVS का बंदा इसको देखेगा, he will decode it pretty much. लेकिन उसमें डायलॉग्स ही ऐसे हैं कि वो IVS बोलेगा अभी भाई मैंने इकरा में तो एडमिशन नहीं लिया.
Yeah, this was fun. I think it was like a lot more relatable. Like if you're appealing to Gen Z as your main consumer, right? I think it was a lot more refreshing. I really like how it covers like a lot of things, like aspects of like, you know, in a very brown household thing, like, you know, namaz pad lo, game khel lo, you know, khana discount. So it's covering like all the, you know, all the edges. So this is like very relatable.
Do you think these campaigns are doing Gen Z justice? The way they proudly represent over, you know, targeting Gen Z, this is for Gen Z. Do you think they're doing Gen Z a favor by making these ads? Do you think they're properly representing what Gen Z is?
I don't think so. I think there is like a lot more, you know, like I think this is missing a lot of the drama the Gen Z would, you know, they usually have. This is still again like, you know, this like very typical like, you know, sibling rivalry, right? And in the first one it was like very typical ghost imagery. I don't see anything about this that is very specifically Gen Z.
उसकी बहन उसको तंग कर रही है, उसकी अम्मी बोल रही है नमाज पढ़ो और वो गेमिंग कर रहा है. So those are things that actually are relatable, especially because हमारे घर पे whenever there is like a new phone brand कोई लेते हैं ना, जैसे मेरे भाई ने पहले लिया था OnePlus 7 या फिर OnePlus 8, तो he like started on it. He was like खरीदो ये वाला फ़ोन खरीदो, उसकी Gorilla Glass back and shit. तो we would tell him the same things. तो मैंने वो Pixel लिया था तो फिर I would also start this thing. So this was really, that thing was really like relatable थोड़ा बहुत. It was really funny as well थोड़ा बहुत.
Do you think any of these, out of both of these ads, are there any memorable factors in both of the ads that would make you want to, you know, that would make you recall the ad, basically?
No, I don't think so. I don't think कोई recall वाली moment है इसमें. But like you were asking for कि relatable वाली चीज़ें, right? तो relatable वाली चीज़ें तो हैं, but I don't think that they're iconic. It's a very simple script and मतलब it's done
What would
well.
you want to see in a Gen Z representing ad?
How about no ads? That's the whole thing. You ask about remembering वाली चीज़, right? तो if like वो 5 सेकंड के लिए भी चले, 10 सेकंड के लिए भी चले, उसमें कोई ऐसी चीज़ हो where you register it and you don't forget it. But if they play it like they do, जब पाकिस्तान का मैच चल रहा होता है, like after every over, after every wicket, एक ही ad आपके मुंह पे चलती रहेगी, then that's when you start to remember it, but not in a good light. Yeah, you hate it.